know for top. Now watch your body like say they don't watch your action. Anything you say them girl, do it like it's them. But they want the money like the girls in movie chat. Real bad people get nasty. I do whatever I want, just but I'm a boss. Yes, the one who they get my tools and things to so on.
One Zidane. What is this in the Friday morning, yeah?
One you have to get authorized. They can't tell me nothing. Yeah, authorize that one. Authorize that one.
Money, money, money. Show me all your money. Money, money, money. Give me all your money when we love. Money make the pussy jump. Broke pocket get a run. But I talk about your love. Money make me talk to you sweet. Money make me want to give peace. Money make me feel complete. Money make me feel weak. Love money, there. Money put me in the mood anytime we face her. So when you see me give me money, if you want to see a bad bitch, give me money, make me want bad. Money make the good feel big. All when the people be me. Money make ugly look handsome. We in love from we I get the ransom. So if you have the money, don't look big. Much less.
You know that time I don't like live side of old people, you know. They always create problem. What do old people? What do you know? Me no like live side of old people. That's why I'm glad. Yo, me not even not got time. Me can't wait for me house done. Me can't wait for it done and it soon done. Glory be to God. I treat it big and wagga why not done it. If me don't make one little tiny house, me don't reach already. Me say to blood clot by next month it done and me move no blood clot. Me not even want to tell nobody. I'm glad me I move from blood clot. Me not like you know. I want to know who I go be and when me have my own house now. I do one poem for you, yeah? Good morning, teacher. How is you? My name is Sarah Poole.
Come and investigate. I'm say put over girl in.
Family boy Michael. And me just bring him to school. Him born one rainy day, ma. It was coming on tonight. Ugly picnic grew up pretty feature. But this one was a sight. Him born the week when Rufus jackfruit tree did start to bear. But hold on. Is that same night Obi Pig dead? But me forget the year. We call him me, Mike, Mikey J, Jakey Jacob Jack. But him right name is Michael Jacob Alexander Black. Not treat him rough, your teacher. Him is a sickly child. As you touch him start make noise. Some people say him quiet. But take time with him, your teacher. enough time when him road a yard, I just beat the bedpost hard. Ma, and you want to hear Jack Ball. So now you know him little ways. Having no fear that anything will melt him. So I left him in your care. Ayaya. Yes. Anybody win the competition here, I get $250,000. $250,000 Jamaican dollars. No, I'm telling you how the challenge I go. You see the as me said, the screen recording page and the content creator them, Uno have to put up a video. You see, anybody will get the most videos under them and under the song win the 250,000 Jamaican dollar. So as me I say, it's like Uno that take the sound off of YouTube, right? No, not views. Not views, no. Listen, Uno that take the video off of YouTube, post it by your page. So when you post it by your page now, you need people to use the sound. Any one of the screen record page or the content creator them, where get more people to use the sound, them win the 250,000 Jamaican dollar. Not views. You could have one day get views, it no matter. We are talking about who use the sound. So it's like now say active go so boom now and post it on him page. And then people reuse it, and the people them reuse it like 1,000 people reuse it, and then comment investigator 2,000 people reuse theme one, or black them 3,000 people reuse theme one. Say more people where you dip on the sun, pan any one of them page win. You get what me I say? What you mean nobody? What you mean so nobody now go win then? All right, blood clot. All right, mama take time to know.
Another moms. Well, if you're like me, you don't know who Candy is. Well, Candy with a KH is a Jamaican live streamer who went viral the other day with her common law because I guess the man shot. So in less than 24 hours ago, and I mean less than 12 hours after Annie's viral moment, Candy without the whole video surface. And let me just say for many Jamaicans, not impressed. Don't say anything that you want to say about Miss Anita, but hats off to her because she had a lot to work with and she did her job diligently, creatively, and generously. Now, because this is Jamaica, this is surely not going to be the last one. So I have some recommendations. Now, I would like to hear more talking. More talking, yes. I also feel like the chemistry between the actors need to be more better. Let me feel. I need to believe in what you. Now I don't know who decided that whenever Jamaicans are doing these type of stuff, them for use BlackBerry. But me just say a modern time. You understand? The quality of video needs to be better, man.
After I'm in a business with them, girl, business with haters, right now my belly flat, like cock top. I'm gonna really business with one hate for me right now, girl. Girl, my belly flat, my pum pum still tight same way. It tighter than yesterday. Oh, I'm about to get a little fatter. I don't want no fat in my pum pum. If you put fat in my pum pum, nothing can go in there.
But you know so them do that?
Yes.
Them do that?
Yes, them do that. If I tell them, say I want to clean it. But you don't tell fat pum pum from it up. You tell it from around my back. When they bend over, it hang down like balls. Yeah. Boy.